Hola, me llamo Alan, también Kid Can. We are in la cocina de mis amigos Jack Light Victorious. So today we're gonna, man, my Spanish is not that tight, I just realized that shit. So today we're gonna make my favorite michelada. Like, oh my god, I love it. It's mofo delicioso. I'm just gonna take you through on how I make it. So stick with me. First things first, so we're gonna rim the jug, mug, glass, whatever you're using. Got your chamoy. We actually used tajin and a mix of chilito. That's how you do it. What did I do with? Oh, so we got the Mega Original, and let's get to rimming. What is that? Now that we got that rimmed, it's time for some limon. Can I juggle? No. Just kidding. We gotta go get some yellow. Yellow. Squeeze. Oh, my grip. Uno. And dos. Basura. So my favorite michelada mix is Antojitos Micheladas, and I heard of Ojos Rojos or whatever the hell, all kinds of mix, but this is my personal favorite one. You can always do the classical, what's it called, clamato and whatnot. So we're gonna go fill up about halfway. Hey, maybe just a little bit more. Lee and Parents Worcestershire sauce. Gotta have a few dashes of that. Oh shit. That's okay. Maggi Jugo. Auténtica. Oh, a few drops. And I like to add a little bit extra more chamoy in there because I like that tangy, spicy, all that good stuff. Damn, I might have put too much mix in there. Oh well. Mango Cart by Goldenrod. Oh, love this beer, even by itself. Damn, I really think I can put it up. Ah! And there you have it. Kid Cam's favorite michelada. What is it? Mi michelada favorita. Just a quick review. We used chilito, a mix of chilito and tajin. Gotta have the Maggi Jugo, keep it auténtica. Worcestershire sauce. My favorite is the Antojitos Michelada mix. Oh, I totally didn't add the fucking Valentina. Wow. Oh, chamoy mega, whatever chamoy is good for you. Yo, I totally forgot. You gotta add your hot sauce, a few drops. But for me, there's tapatio, whatever. My favorite is Valentina. It's just that's what does it for me. Spicy. Oh, don't forget to mix that. Till next time, you guys. Salud. Delicioso. Also, subscribe, like, comment if you want me to do the Filipino version of the michelada. We'll probably use soy sauce and calamansi. Anyways, adios amigos.